Get up.
What? You know how the time flies on me. Yesterday, time of our lives, we were both in rain. Summer haze bound by people.
Yeah, isn't it? Girls, louder!
I couldn't fight it off. Just in my face, let you feel my that for me. It wasn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I pray. I remember you said sometimes it lasts and hurts, sometimes it hurts instead.
Oh, quiet!
Sometimes it lasts and hurts,
Joe's like, yeah, I'm gonna go loud now.
Go on, loud. One more time from the top. Ready? Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I pray. I remember you say sometimes it lasts and hurts, sometimes it hurts instead.
I can hear Joe now. JC, how was that? It was bad. It was. We couldn't even hear you most of the time, so don't worry about it. I was trying.